Most SaaS founders experience communication chaos long before they identify a solution. At first, communication feels manageable. You have a small team, can make fast decisions, and enjoy clear visibility. However, as the company scales, communication becomes increasingly fragmented. You face more meetings, more Slack messages, and disconnected conversations. Operational noise builds up, causing execution to slow down. The core problem isn't communication volume, it's the lack of robust communication systems. High-performing SaaS companies tackle this by intentionally building their operational communication infrastructure. Step 1 is to centralize communication visibility to avoid scattered updates across disconnected tools. Next, create structured update systems. Instead of reacting, teams should follow a repeatable structure that fosters consistency and alignment. Step 3 demands improving ownership visibility to clarify who is responsible for decisions and workflows, reducing operational noise and fostering effective communication strategies. Step 5 is to build async communication workflows. As SaaS teams expand, communication should rely less on real-time interactions. This promotes better execution and visibility, allowing all team members to focus on what truly matters. Effective communication systems directly impact execution quality, alignment, workflow visibility, and operational clarity. This framework is part of the SaaS Operational Infrastructure Model 2122, designed to help founders scale without chaos. If your SaaS is scaling, but communication chaos intensifies monthly, remember, the issue usually isn't effort, but missing operational systems. Subscribe to SaaS Founder Systems for weekly videos designed to help SaaS founders scale without chaos using structured operational systems at saasfoundersystems.com.